back to our channel.
My name's Catherine.
And my name is Karen.
So today we're gonna be trying a little like treats from Italy. We got this little box here. They gave us this little cute thing. So,
Oh shit, you know what's dope about this?
what?
All the like places that the snacks are from, we're gonna be going to in like 3 months.
All
No,
of
not
them?
even like 2 months. Yeah, because we're going to Venice, we're going to Florence,
Rome.
we're going to Rome,
We're
and
not
we're
going to Sicily.
Naples. Oh, we're not going to Sicily, but we're going to like most of them.
Exciting.
Yeah.
So they gave us like some chips, cookies. We got this little chocolate. We got Alfredo potato chips, truffle. We got these cookies are kind of good.
Yeah,
They're
these
almond
cookies.
Almond cookies. I don't know if you can see that.
This chocolate is tiramisu.
I mean,
It gives you, like,
tiramisu
something.
is more like Italian.
Coffee.
No, it's
Oh.
like Italian.
I have no idea. There's lemon cookies.
Yeah, right
Yeah,
there.
I'm sorry.
That's kind of weird, but
There's
yeah, there
lemon
is.
cookies and lemon
I think it's a
tartali, lemone e pepe. This.
These are like little donuts. We have a chocolate bar. Look, it says Origin Ecuador.
Look, they give you recipes so you can make spaghetti.
Oh, yum.
Carbonara.
Yo, I can't wait to go to Italy just to eat. I'm gonna get so fat.
I can't wait for that whole vacation. And then we got a little yum bag. It tells us what's in there. It tells in here.
It's like hard. It's like hard candy.
It says lemon and orange fizzy fruit candies and then hazelnut chocolate.
It says, you know the phrase "good things come in small packages." The yum bag is that phrase embodied. Dig in and have a good time. Yum bag. Okay, are you ready to taste? Because I'm ready.
Look.
So we're gonna try these donuts. I feel a little iffy about this.
Donuts.
Yeah, it's like little donuts. Donut shaped cookies, I'm guessing.
It says tartellini.
Oh my god, that's weird.
What the heck? Oh, it's like glazed.
Mmm. I don't like them. Okay, I'm gonna ask you a trivia question.
Hold on. Don't get me wrong, I love donuts, but these shit are disgusting.
These aren't donuts, they're donut shaped.
Oh, my tongue burns. Yours doesn't
They're
burn?
spicy.
Ugh.
Not spicy, but like it's these. It's the cloves.
Ew.
Look, it's vegan. But
That shit is
I don't-
disgusting.
I don't
I pick next. I want to try this.
open it.
It's lemon cookies. Fortleti al limone. I don't know Italian, so. Alright, here. Mmm.
They smell good.
These are really good.
They're kind of like buttery too.
Mmm.
I know I'm gonna finish all of that.
What?
I love potato chips.
Next is these potato chips. Alfredo. Oh, look, they're gluten free.
How many calories do they have?
Ew. They stink.
They don't stink. It's potato chips.
It smells. Oh no, it smells weird. What?
I take that back.
I was just.
Why did they do
Disgusting.
that? It has like a weird.
I think I'm gonna starve
What
in
is
Italy.
that? This is
I think that's yuca. How do you say yuca in English?
ingredients. I don't know.
That shit is disgusting. To be
Yeah,
honest, I
I
had
don't know.
really high hopes for
Me
these treats.
too. No, I have
and
high
I'm
hopes
just-
for that.
I have high hope for these. I think I'm gonna finish the whole bag.
No. I want to try this. You said it was tiramisu flavored.
Yeah. So we're doing the almond, the
The cookies.
Armaritini. Oh my god.
Tell me-
It smells so good. Smell it.
Yeah. What's what?
It's so tiny. Here.
So you heard the question? Oh my god, why is this so
That's
like,
what I said.
it's like bubbly.
Look, it's vegan.
They're not bad.
They're pretty good. It's really sweet though.
Mm-hmm. And very crunchy.
So far, I like the lemon ones better.
Yeah. The other two were disappointment.
It's the Moretta Tiramisu.
That tastes good. Listen. If you guys have tried tiramisu before, it's literally that, but just covered in chocolate. Tastes so good.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's okay. But so. She's the only one that's gonna eat this one.
Oh, chocolate?
Yeah.
You said it looks nasty?
It looks nice though.
You're not gonna try it?
No, I don't want chocolate. Tastes like Hershey's.
No, not at all. It tastes like hazelnut.
Alright, let's see what the heck is inside this yum bag. Oh, look, perfect. We have, oh, but I'm not gonna eat the chocolate. We have two of
I'll
each.
try the chocolate.
So this is hazelnut chocolate again. But I think it's like a different brand or whatever.
Sorini. I feel like it has a filling inside or something. No. Kind of like soft, but oh, it's a lot of chocolate.
Do you like it?
It tastes good though.
Which one is
It's not
better,
bad.
that one or the other one?
This one for sure.
Other one?
That one tastes really good. It says, yeah, milk chocolate with hazelnuts.
This one is an orange candy. Here.
I feel like I got a cavity just now.
I thought this was gonna be orange, but it's white.
Tastes like orange.
Yeah, it tastes like regular candy. It's not nothing special. So out of everything, what did you like?
Best is probably the chocolate.
Are you serious?
Yeah, tasted really good.
This was my favorite. Oh,
It was sweet, but not too sweet. Come on,
I'll
finish
probably
it.
buy these. These were good, but it's just way too sweet.
Now we know what to watch out for. Don't buy these.
Those potato chips were disgusting. As soon as
Don't
you
buy
open
these.
it, they stink. Those taste like cheese.
What
I
tastes
really
like
had
cheese?
high hopes for these.
What
And
tastes like
this
cheese?
has so many. This has nothing. This is better.
What tastes like cheese?
That. Those donuts.
It tastes like cheese?
Yeah, it tastes like cheese.
What?
So I need to go get food. What the fuck?
I just like inhaled like the potato chips. It was so bad. Okay guys, so that was the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed. Now you know if you go to Italy what to buy and what not to buy.
Yeah, well, a couple things that are really disgusting.
To like steer clear of. Don't
They
don't
may
buy
like
those.
it though. You never know. Everyone has different taste
No.
buds, but definitely, no, those were really disgusting.
These shits were dry as hell. These just smelled weird and tasted weird.
Yeah, it was really wrong.
This.
That's really
You could
good.
get your hands on this. This was really
Yeah,
good.
that's really good.
And then the tiramisu, like tiramisu, just with chocolate covered on top.
Lemon cookies are
Hella good.
everything.
Then what was?
That
Oh,
almond
no, this
stuff-
one. This one was really good.
Yeah, those almond cookies were really sweet. If you have a sweet tooth, then they'll taste pretty good too. But other than that,
Yeah, those are. And they're like weird. Like you won't see cookies like that here.
yeah,
Like all bubbly and stuff. Like that was weird. But it tasted really good.
yeah, not really good, but it was okay. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And
Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time we upload.
alright guys, so thank you for watching.
And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.